Happy New Year, my friends. Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 152 and my first video of how's everyone's New Year's going so far? Let me know down below in the comment sections. Mine is going great. Well, to kick off our first video of the new year, it is so cold outside, so I figured why not make a nice hot pot of blueberry dumplings. It's going to be so warm, comforting, delicious, and everybody will enjoy this recipe. It's going to be bursting with blueberry goodness. All right, you ready? Let's go cook some blueberry magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my large pot, I have 1 quart of fresh blueberries, and we're going to add in 1½ cups of white sugar and 1 2/3 of a cup of water. And you can add more or less water, depends on how much liquid you like in your dumplings. We're going to give that a stir. And I got my fire on high heat, and we're going to let our blueberries come to a boil. Alright, my friends, while our blueberries come to a boil, let's go ahead and make our dumplings. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour plus a tablespoon of white sugar. And we're going to add in 1 stick of butter. And we're going to cut our butter in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Alright, my friends, our dumplings are done. They're nice coarse crumbs. See? That looks perfect. Okay. Next, we're going to add in my favorite ingredient in the whole wide world. 1/4 cup of evaporated milk and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to give that a good stir until it gets nice and sticky. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up my dumplings. They're nice and sticky for us. That was great. Okay, so now they're ready to go into our blueberries. Alright, my friends, our blueberries has come to a boil. So all we do now is drop our dumplings into spoonsful. Going to just drop them right into our blueberries. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish dropping my dumplings and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my dumplings in. So all we do now is cover it. And we're going to turn the fire down to medium. And we're going to let our dumplings cook for 20 minutes. And this is the important step right here. You don't want to stir it or otherwise your dumpling will fall apart. But you could give them a shake a few times. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright, my friends, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, it's piping hot and you can smell it all over the house. You see how the dumplings puff up a little bit? Lord have mercy, that looks good. So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and then we'll be ready to give it a taste. We'll be back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern Blueberry Dumplings. Don't that look good? And there's one more thing I gotta add to it. A scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now look how pretty that looks. I'm a little dumpling. A little ice cream. Good Lord Almighty. Alright, here we go. Oh, the dumplings and the blueberries, nice and warm. This is definitely perfect for a cold day. This deserves another bite. Blueberry delicious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.